Let's check if we can hide our photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy A05. So to do this, we can open our gallery app. Then we can look for the options that would allow us to actually hide those photos. So first, let's click on these three dots. As you can see, there's no option to hide. We can edit, but this will enter a mode where you can select your photos. And where we add it, we can click on more right here when there's few of the photos selected. And also there's no option where you can actually hide it right here as well. Then the last thing we can do is in the albums, or actually we can also click on these three lines and see if there's hide. Nope, there isn't. We can try to edit the album itself and see if there's option to hide it, but nope, there's not, which confirms that this device doesn't have the option to hide your videos or photos.